Hey guys, welcome back. I just got this Schipper paint by number kit and I realized I've never shown a full Schipper kit before. I've shown a finished Schipper painting in my finished diamond paintings and paint by numbers video, but yeah, I've never actually shown you how this kit comes. So if you've never seen it before, you might find this very interesting, I hope. I have done a whole lot of unboxings of paint by number kits from practically every store on AliExpress. And my last paint by number review video, it just wasn't that good. The whole experience was a bit, I don't want to say too much about that, but while I was working on that, I decided to finally order this kit because I need a great paint by number experience. And this 4-panel has been on my wish list for a long time. So I actually just ordered this through Amazon. Amazon.nl, that is for me, but I know practically every Amazon store has them. So this is a Schipper kit. Schipper is a German brand. When I did paint by numbers like 10 years ago, Schipper was practically all I knew. Yeah, it's just been around for a long time. They don't really change their designs that they have a lot. I mean, they bring in some new stuff. But yeah, I know they sell kits. They sold 10 years ago. Because 10 years ago, I wanted to do the Manhattan skyline, and they still sell that one. So, which is also something I do enjoy. I mean, if you don't want to get something now because you can't afford to or whatever, it will still be there in a few years, if you know what I mean. So let's just get into it. This box is just perfect. This, if you want to gift a paint by number kit to someone who's never done it before, a Schipper kit would be perfect because it's so complete. I mean, you don't just get a canvas, a few brushes and a few paints, but it comes with really everything. So yeah, when you open it up, you'll see the paints, like, oh my god, those colors, but okay. We get a separate kit with some number stickers to put on the paints. And we get this very, very dangerous paper. Let's talk about that later, okay? Let's first look at this. So we have the 4-panel that is actually just connected in one. If you want, you could leave it like this, but I like to pull them out and do them one at a time. If you don't want to finish all 4 of them at once, you really don't have to. You can just, take a break, do something else, and come back. So these are just easy to pull out like that. Okay. So yeah, as you can see, it's not really a canvas, it's more like a thick board. And this is what it looks like. The lines and numbers are a light gray. They are very, very good to read, but also very easy to cover. Not that you really have to worry about that because these paints are phenomenal and you won't get any better paints with a paint by number kit than with a Schipper kit. That's just the way it is. Okay, so yeah, I do like to pull these out, but you can just also click them right back in there and work at it as a whole. But let's look at the other stuff. Shall we get this out of the way? Shall we? This is a very dangerous piece of paper. They offer the frames in all the sizes of the canvases, not the canvas, the paintings they sell. But this, oh my god. This is so dangerous. Okay. So let's get a little closer. So these are all the paintings, well, not all of them. They offer a lot more. But these are basically the paintings that they never stop producing. They have 5 panels as well. These are, I think they're pretty, yeah, these are 24 by 30 centimeter paintings. And they have 3 panels as well. And I actually did the Taj Mahal a long time ago of Schipper because I really love the tigers. I don't know, can you even see the tigers? Yeah, I think you can. But yeah, so I did that one, and I did this 4-panel coffee cups. And I did, yeah, this is Manhattan, the one I mentioned before. I did that like 10 years ago and I still have it. And I also did the Statue of Liberty, which was a 40 by 80 centimeter painting, but it's not in here. So I don't know if that means they stopped making it or I don't know. But that was the one I showed in my video. So yeah, like I said, that is very dangerous to add that with a kit because yeah, you just want to buy more. So we have our paints. Oh my gosh. Every color in the rainbow. And you get this kit with, so you can number your paints yourself with a very, very high quality brushes in here. But let's look at the paints. So yeah, we have A, B, C, D, E, F. Let me pull these out. Okay. So how, you might be wondering, okay, how would I number these with the number stickers that come with it? Well, of course, they tell you. Here you go. So A, yeah, you would start just at 1 to 6, 7 to 12, and so on. So if there would be any double colors in here, you would see that too. But yeah, there are no doubles in here. We just have 36 different colors. And doubles are not very common with the Schipper paints because these paint pots are pretty big and you never run out. Trust me, never run out. I don't know what this is. This is rare. We have some spilled orange paint right here. That's very rare. Not that it matters at all. But oh, wait, before I forget. So yeah, they also, with this information, they also give you a paper with the paintings. So if you cover a number and you don't remember what it was, you can just easily look it up on the sheet. And the other thing that was in there was an instruction. I don't know how many languages this is in. I don't know. You want to learn some Dutch today? Or Nederlands? Okay, but yeah, these instructions are also just tips on how to make your paints last longer, which I think are also on here. And how to save your brush and all that. So, excellent. And these, we also have a double sticker on the A. Like that doesn't really matter at all, but it's rare because usually it's just like 100% perfect. So if anything goes wrong, it's still 99% perfect, but it's weird because you don't expect it. It's always the same excellent quality. But these are the paints. I'm not really gonna open these. There are tons of Schipper swatching videos on YouTube. I'm just not that good in doing swatches, so But these paints are a full coverage, excellent. You never have to worry about covering a number or anything. You never have to worry about the paints drying out or running out of paint, which is perfect for paint by number kits. I think this was everything I had to show you guys. Okay, so I didn't really mean for this to happen. I didn't intend to do this, but yeah. It's been a few days, the video is not up yet, so I'm just gonna add this part right here because it's all finished. And I'm gonna show you them in the order I did them. This was the first one I did, and it's just such a joy to work on something so smooth. And yeah, it just looks perfect. And the paints were perfect. The yellow was a little tricky. I did have to cover the numbers twice, but overall it's just, they're just stunning. And it's funny, when you work on it, you basically only see the butterfly, and it's when you're finished and you're looking at it and you're like, oh wait, there's a whole background of trees and there's a mountain and everything. It's weird that you don't really see those details as you're working on it. But yeah, this was the third one I did. And I just finished this one. It's a shame the blue paints were so stunning and beautiful, but this was the only blue I used, because the other ones are, they don't have any blue. Oh look, we can fit two in them. But yeah, really such a joy to work on. So I figured I'd just show you the finished pictures. Anyway, I want to thank you very much for watching. Please be safe, take care, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!